Hey up guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes and today I've got for sale this absolutely stunning Honda CB650F. Really good bikes these, punchy engines, fabulous for commuting. Anyway, this one's a 2016 on a 16 plate. It's only done 4,331 miles. It's barely been ridden for the last 2 years. Anyhow, it's a one owner bike, finished off with the red frame. Looks absolutely stonking against the flat black. Give it a start up as well. Let's see dials before I start it. There we go. Cracking little bikes these, and like I say, great for commuting. Yeah, what a great first time bike. Anyway guys, you've seen the bike. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.